Maybe you only want what you can't have. Never seem to be satisfied till it all goes bad. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. Why should I sit alone and be sad while you fumble the best you ever had? It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. You made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away. Don't play the victim now. Let's state the facts. You're the one who left. I just quit taking you back. Maybe I should just give someone else a chance. It's not fair to me or my heart. I was forced to start over when we fell apart. Could've had it all, but you pushed me right into his arms. You wanted to break, I wanted to stay. Look what you made me give my love away. Hey, you made a mistake. Say that you've changed, but it's too late. I gave my love away.
Now I did a simple Valentine's coffee station. But one thing I did change out was, as you saw, I took out the creamer and I added my tea. Now I added these two little pink hearts, just something to add on. And the placemat that came from Amazon. Of course you know it's copper. Now these beautiful heart mugs, I have them for a while and I fell in love with them because of my mother-in-law. She had a coffee cup and a saucer, and I thought it was really cute. And then I found this teapot. It was purchased off of eBay, but I did go and see one at Marshall's, I believe it was, or TJ Maxx, one of them. I saw it in there. So everything on this station I already had. Nothing is new except for the pink hydrangea. That is the only thing that is new in this station. Everything is in my stash. Now I want to do something simple and something that represents Valentine's Day. So let me know what you think of my Valentine's Day coffee station. Very simple. And let me know if you did one. I would love to see yours. And I will see you in the next episode.